Barcelona, welcome to our country, and enjoy the city and enjoy this workshop. Thank you.
What we want to do, we want to enable their climate risk assessments. So we develop tools and a framework which can support them in developing their own climate risk assessments, and we want to harmonize it as much as possible between regions.
While a lot of policies are happening on the national or even beyond the EU level, the change, what needs to happen is on the local level, because this is on the local and regional level that we need to implement the actions, but also risk varies a lot between one region to the other, and so we have to take that into account. This is why, for me, regions have a key role to play when it comes to climate adaptation.
The methodologies we propose are not perfect, we know, but through the learning process, that means that we are replicating these 69 times. We will learn a lot, so we can produce a new family of developments that will be more helpful for these local and regional authorities, and then also more helpful to extend beyond these implementers in CLIMAAX, trying to involve all municipalities in Europe to start the adaptation process. But it is not easy, and it is something we need to face in the next decades, and this is just a starting point.